Almost every AI agent relies on centralized large language models, massive engines with 70 billion parameters, to execute basic, repetitive tasks. When a user submits a query, this giant model generates a thought, decides on a tool to call, and formats the output into structured data like JSON. JSON is a standard text format used to store and transport data between servers and web applications. Because the agent must repeatedly invoke the massive model for every single step of this process, the latency and token inference costs multiply with every loop. These large models contain a semantic hub, a mechanism that integrates deep generalized knowledge across multiple languages and data modalities. Forcing a model with this level of abstraction to repeatedly format simple text outputs is a massive overallocation of compute. Using frontier models to execute rigid, predictable subtasks prevents production systems from scaling economically. This architectural bottleneck has been incorrectly viewed as a necessary cost of intelligence. Real-world AI agents do not actually need open-ended general intelligence. They operate as heavily instructed gateways designed to access a narrow slice of language modeling capabilities. The direct replacement for the monolith is the small language model, or SLM. These are highly specialized models operating well under 10 billion parameters, like the powerful NVIDIA Nematron H or Microsoft Phi 3 families. On tightly scoped tasks like tool calling and instruction following, these compact models consistently match the empirical accuracy of 30 billion parameter monoliths. Serving an SLM cuts inference costs by a factor of 10 to 30. Because of their minimal size, they eliminate the need to parallelize computations across multiple GPUs, which drastically simplifies server architecture. SLMs supply the raw, cheap computational power needed to replace massive models. Fragmenting a giant system into dozens of isolated experts introduces a severe integration and routing challenge. To coordinate a swarm of SLMs effectively, system architects have to abandon the traditional design philosophy. This diagram shows two modes of agency. On the left, legacy architecture. A single language model directly orchestrates the entire tool cycle. Contrast that with code agency on the right. Dedicated controller code takes over orchestration, dictating requests to isolated language models and tools. Decoupling orchestration logic from the language model allows developers to swap the massive generalist for highly specialized SLMs at every execution node. As the pool of available tools and specialized models grows, manually hard-coding the logic for that central controller becomes mathematically impossible. Capturing the economic advantages of this code-centric architecture requires an intelligent, generalized routing layer to manage the traffic. The system must accurately map a highly variable user query to the correct specialized SLM or exact tool without introducing massive latency overhead. One solution is the mixture of models and agents, or MoMA, a two-stage routing protocol designed to orchestrate heterogeneous environments. MoMA's primary objective is to evaluate whether a query maps directly to a deterministic software agent or tool, bypassing language models altogether. The router's first layer uses lightweight semantic embeddings to convert the query into a vector, retrieving a top-ranked list of relevant tool categories. The second layer deploys a context-aware finite-state machine to execute fine-grained selection. This model transitions between predetermined states based on specific inputs. This machine evaluates the precise query context to determine which specific tools within those top-ranked categories are valid, available, and appropriate to trigger. This rapid, embedding-based first pass filters out irrelevant tools and handles explicit requests before any generative inference compute is ever spent. Even in a code agency model, invoking an SLM to structure a tool call carries a statistical risk of hallucinating an unavailable agent. To guarantee deterministic tool selection, token logics masking restricts the model's options. When agents are unavailable, their token logics are forced to negative infinity. The softmax normalization layer then converts these negative infinity values into a strict zero probability. The language model physically loses the ability to generate the tokens required to execute an invalid tool call. Because this masking happens dynamically during the decoding process itself, it secures the routing protocol with zero added latency. Token logits masking binds the probabilistic nature of language models to the strict deterministic execution required for production software. Some queries are too complex or ambiguous to map to a single deterministic tool, meaning a language model must handle the request. MoMA uses a mixture of experts routing head. This lightweight model predicts the performance score of every candidate SLM and LLM for that specific query. The routing logic must balance the predicted performance score of a candidate model against its known token inference cost. This Pareto frontier curve calculates that trade-off. The x-axis tracks inference cost, and the y-axis plots performance scores. Heterogeneous candidate models are mapped here. Models below the curve are inefficient, while optimal models define the frontier edge. To select the exact model, the system applies the Topsis algorithm. This multi-criteria decision analysis method calculates the shortest geometric distance to an ideal solution, identifying the best choice based on user preferences. This routing ensures the system never spends compute unnecessarily, perfectly matching the computational weight of the selected model to the query's precise complexity. We can observe the results of this architecture by evaluating the MoMA autorouter against an optimal massive monolithic model, such as the 235 billion parameter Qwen3. This chart illustrates performance across complex benchmarks. The MoMA system matches the 68.6 score of the 235 billion parameter monolith. Overlaying token cost metrics makes the advantage clear. The MoMA architecture achieves exact performance parity while reducing inference costs by over 30%. This happens because highly specialized 8 billion parameter models efficiently handle the deep math and code queries. They drag the average operating cost down without sacrificing absolute accuracy. Intelligent, dynamic routing of small, specialized models mathematically defeats brute force parameter scaling in constrained domains. Relying entirely on monolithic agent architectures is no longer viable for high-volume production environments. Small language models provide the raw, economical compute required to process millions of repetitive subtasks efficiently. Generalized routing frameworks supply the deterministic guardrails and exact cost matching required to integrate those diverse components into a cohesive system. Frontier LLMs will remain valuable within this ecosystem, serving as the ultimate fallback for highly abstract, unconstrained reasoning. Production-grade agentic AI scales through highly coordinated, mathematically optimized swarms that prioritize operational efficiency over the brute force of a single monolith.